Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the base cover on a Dell Inspiron 15 version 3573. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide open locking mechanism and remove battery. Remove optical drive screws. Using a plastic scribe, push to release the optical drive from the optical drive bay. Next, use a plastic scribe to release tabs and remove keyboard bezel. Now use a plastic scribe to release tabs and turn over keyboard. Then disconnect and remove keyboard. Now remove upper palmrest screws. Now remove bottom palmrest screws. Then use fingers to pry apart base cover. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.